Hey everyone, look, I do apologize. I'm getting some poor internet connection currently right now, so Stocks to Trade is a little bit limited with its features. It's just Perth living, third world internet where I am, but that's okay. So I'm not getting the top gainers, and we'll see what runs. We'll see if Oracle runs. Oh, it does. Okay, interesting. Alright. I don't know if this is updated. I'm assuming it is. It's probably closed a day from yesterday's session or end of this morning. DLYS was up a little bit. What else can we talk about? Let's see how MGTI went. This is more just a curiosity thing other than, a trade idea, to be honest. Look. That's concerning when that happens, when it's just peters out, pretty low volume, low interest. It's been downtrending recently as well, MGTI. It's interesting, the whole concept of what they do and everything with internet security and whatnot, but I think they're losing a lot of money, so pass. Alright. DLYS. Let us have a look at how this is going. Will it load? Ooh. Okay, so it was still up around 6% on the day. A lot of volume as well. Look at that little spike at the end there. What? Interesting, there's no catalyst though, that's the thing. So there was something on the 19th of October. I mean, for a buy trade, really, you've got some resistance up here in the 420s. So this is just on the fly here, guys. This is what I would normally do. And I just want to sort of capture this. TRXC, I discussed this as a potential trade as well, and it just sort of steadily, it rose a little bit. They did have, oh no, they just had an announcement about a financial operating results conference call on the 9th of November. So this again is an interesting concept with what they're doing with the robotic surgery stuff, and they're in a very limited scope of competition. So, and they apparently offer a better robot as well. It's just, price action wise, I'd like to see it back at least to the 340s. Would be nice. So a little bit of work to do. And then CASI, this ended not too badly and might have some potential. I just like to see, I'm finding the catalyst really does help things, and it's lacking that currently. It is trading above, and it closed above the 20-day moving average, which is what I like to see as well. Closed at 248, so that's not too bad. Volume really petered out though. So it was like sort of the start of the sessions when everything was sort of on, and then it, pardon me, really just waned. Sort of had an attempted break again, in sort of mid-session, but nothing too exciting. So CASI is, a potential. I'd like to see some press release, and I'd also, when it does sort of break, I'd like to see more volume, like something like this, You can see the volume here was considerable, and then it just sort of faded out for the rest of the session. And I don't really like going in straight away because it's very volatile, so I didn't really want to chase that. And what I was hoping was a bit of stability and maybe a continuation, and it didn't do that. So that's just how it goes sometimes. Anyway, guys, I think I'm going to conclude things here with that trade idea with CASI. And it's in a bit of a hot sector with pharmaceuticals and everything. What's that profile? Biotechnology. CASI Pharmaceuticals researches and develops some cat head there, biopharmaceutical products that addresses the role of blood and blood vessels in the prevention and treatment of diseases. An analogous program that focuses on the development of proprietary products that are intended to inhibit the normal growth of new blood. Okay, interesting. So it's an interesting little sector, and definitely one I'll keep an eye on, guys. So I'm going to wrap things up. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye.